Hey guys, Ajay over here and welcome to my channel, My Passive Income Mentor. On this channel, I review digital marketing products and do how-to videos of starting your own business online. So if starting your own business online is something that you're looking to do, consider subscribing to my channel, and these are the exact content that I will be covering in my how-to videos. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product for you guys which is known as Omega. So Omega is world's first mobile traffic app. So what it basically does is it uses the power of Telegram to send messages to your targeted set of contacts on Telegram. So one of the basic things it assumes is that you already have mobile numbers of your prospects, and then you can use this piece of software to send targeted messages to them. So searching for deals on Warrior Plus and JVZoo is inbuilt in it. Creating your image, video, or ad editorial format is also inbuilt, and then you have an option to send a message to them using the inbuilt software to the Telegram apps. Now all of these things we will go into detail as I log into the members area, but if you find this interesting, please consider subscribing to my channel. If this is something you're interested in, stay with me till the end of this video, as I have put together some custom bonuses for you so you can get 110% out of your purchase of Omega. Now, the way to access the product is to click on the link in the description below, which will bring you to my bonus page, which looks like this. Once on this bonus page, you can click on any of these golden color buttons to access the sales page, which looks like this. Here again, you can click on this button and you can get access to the product. Now, as you can see, it is only $17 as of now, and all the bonuses that I'm going to be describing now will be available to you even if you purchase the front-end product for $17. So the first bonus that I have for you is Fiverr. So you can sell this gig on Fiverr, wherein you can do Telegram marketing for others using your Omega software. So this course will teach you the entire process of listing yourself on Fiverr, listing your gig, promoting your gig, getting customers, fulfilling your obligations. Everything will be covered in this course on Fiverr. Now the second bonus I have for you is Squeeze Page Breakthrough. As I told you, the product presumes that you have some kind of data of mobile numbers of your prospects. Now that not might be true, or even if it is true, you might want to get more. So Squeeze Page Breakthrough teaches you how to build squeeze pages. The squeeze page is a specific type of funnel whose only aim is to extract visitor information like name, mobile number, mostly email addresses, and then in our case we will need mobile numbers. So it will teach you the principles of building squeeze pages, which will allow you to get maximum conversions out of the traffic that you run to it. Now the third one I have is solo and list building profits, and the reason I have it is once you build squeeze pages, you will need to run traffic to those. So solo ad list building profit will basically teach you where to go and buy traffic, how to evaluate the quality of traffic, how to follow up with that traffic. So all of these things will be covered. So it is a great addition to Omega product itself, because with Omega you can send those messages. With solo ad list building, you will know where to get mobile numbers. Then there's CPA income crusher. So once you have built your list with solo ads and everything, so CPA stands for cost per action. So there are networks out there which will pay you money for doing simple tasks like subscribing to a trial or downloading a free ebook. So these are known as cost per action offers. On many occasions, the relation between the payout and the investment varies from 1.5x to 2x. So for a $9 sale, you can make up to $30. In traditional affiliate marketing model, that is almost around 50%. For $9 sale, you will make $4 to $5. Then the last I have is all the vendor bonuses. So we'll just go through the list of vendor bonuses. There's a lot of bonuses over here. There's push click commissions worth $297, instant cash jackpot, piggy bank system, cash system, tube commission loophole, learn how to exploit YouTube, commissionly, evergreen commission machine plus done for you. All of this is worth 197, 3-minute commissions, secret commission machine, secret traffic gold mine, commission snatch, push button traffic 3.0, and viral commission machine for $297. So as you can see, there are a lot of Like if I just have to count this thing, it is easily more than 10 products over here. Plus there are 4 bonuses from me, and plus there is the main product Omega itself. So we are getting on 15 products for a price of $17. So it's just about $1 something per product. Now that we are familiar with the bonuses that I have to offer, we'll go to the members area. Yeah, just a quick thing. All the bonuses I just described are available to you till this countdown timer reaches 0. Once this thing reaches 0, you won't be able to access these bonuses. So ensure you grab your copy before that. Again, it's a Warrior Plus product. So within your account itself, you will find the blue color button which says access affiliate bonuses. Just clicking on that button, you will be able to access all of your products that I just described to you. You need not message me or anybody else for your bonuses. Now let's quickly dive through the members area. Right. So the first section we have over here. So there is this tutorial section, which is the first thing I would recommend that you go through the tutorials to understand how each of these things works. Then you have the Warrior Plus deal section. So this basically tells you which are the high converting products on Warrior Plus, and then you can just go and grab these links. Same for JVZoo. It will tell you the high performing products on JVZoo at this moment. Now creator is an interesting part of it. So the creator is basically a graphic designer, we can say, which allows you to create text ads, also video ads. You can also have text plus video ads in this. There are many options. So basically there are some inbuilt designs in it. Then you can add videos to your designs. You can add images. Even if you have your own setup done differently, you can just upload that image over here. This is the library, as you can see. Then you can add any kind of text that you want. There are a lot of options available. Then there are elements available, which again you can add to your advertisement. You can add audios, and then you can add these layers to it. So this is in short the Omega creator that we have. Using this creator, we can like easily build our advertisement around. Right? Then let's come to Telegram automation. So what we'll have to first do is we'll have to upload phone numbers to this. Once we have uploaded the mobile numbers to this, and then we can send a message to all of these numbers, and they will all reach their Telegram application. So in short, this is how the entire Omega works. So there's also social share button. So you can also share your advertisement across all of these social media. So it assumes that you have some kind of clout on these platforms. So then once you share on these platforms, you will get organic traffic to your offer. And apart from that, you always have the option of sending it to straight to Telegram. Now just let's go through the funnel and see what the products available. As I said, the front end is available for $17 only. Then there's Omega Unlimited Edition, so you can have like unlimited number of advertisements created in it, which is $39 version. Then there's Omega Done For You Edition, which is $297, in which like everything done for you, traffic and sales. Then there's an automated edition for $39. The customers will be able to activate all automation tools with Omega. Omega Done For You Templates Club, $39. And then Omega 50x Click and Go template. They will give you 50 proven TikTok campaigns that you can copy and paste to make affiliate sales with TikTok. These are some of the benefits that you will be getting with it. Now all of these bonuses and everything is available to you only when you buy the front end version of $17. Buying the other upsells is a choice. However, it is not a requirement to get all the bonuses that I have mentioned till now in my video. Now let's just run through the sales page and see if there's something that I have missed, and I'll like cover it up. So one click sends up to 120 buyers every 10 seconds to any link, website or funnel. As I said, you can do it through using the power of Telegram. Now the creator Bilidar is someone who has done more than $7 million online. So he launches very profitable products for his customers. Now some of the things are demo image because the product is still not live. It will be live in about 7 to 8 hours from this point in time, by the time you see this video. Okay, so I think I've almost covered everything. I think this is also covered by 30-day money back guarantee. So there's basically $17 that you are investing is also not a risk because you can always get your money back if you are not happy with the product. So with this, we come to the end of my review. And if there's something that I have not been able to cover or you're not understood, please ask me below in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer it for you.